we got some fun today. Alright, due to some popular demand, which quite frankly I understand since this was the original baby on my channel. Well, since you guys want some rally art content, let's go ahead and do that. So for today we're gonna go ahead and give her a nice little wash, and I think we might be checking out a car show. So let's go ahead and get her all prepped up, cleaned up, show you guys what she looks like for those of you who are newer to the channel. And yeah, because fingers crossed she's probably not gonna look like this too much longer. Without spoiling anything, might be a color change coming up. So yeah, let's go ahead and give a scrub-a-dub-dub to good old Lancer. Alright, I'm doing it. I'm picking up the camera. We're gonna go out to the garage and I'm gonna do some stuff to the Lancer. It's been a while since I've worked on the rally art for you guys on the channel, so without further ado, I have some big stuff coming up. I'm not gonna give it all away in this video, but we're gonna go ahead and remove our front lip, side skirts, and yeah, we'll go ahead and do that for today. Give you guys a little bit of a hint on what I'm doing, but yeah, let's just go ahead and head out to the garage. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you're a little late to the party, but thanks to our friends over here at Vinyl Frog, they sent out a whole car's worth of wrap. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys what color it's going to be. I'm going to leave that to the imagination, but with that being said, that's why we're going to go ahead and prep the car. First things first, we're going to go ahead and remove the front lip and then the side skirts. We want full coverage on this thing. So right now, currently on the car sits the Vinyl Frog Rainbow Metallic Iridescent. Pretty cool, loved it. But yeah, I wanted to do a full car wrap. And as many of you know, wrapping is a pretty unique skill. You're laying, you're not spraying, so it takes a lot of time to do things. Plenty of different panels on this car, so it's going to be a long endeavor. Going to take a lot of practice, so a lot of trial and error, and who knows, I might get to a certain point to where I might just go ahead and take it to a shop, know my limitations. So I'm going to go panel by panel and just see how it goes. But yeah, not to get ahead of ourselves, we're just going to go ahead and remove these lip spoilers, lip extensions, side skirts, whatever you guys want to call them. And I just figured I'd give you guys a little update on the car. Another little update, since it's actually been a while. This front splitter, as you guys can know, the front splitter rods, as you may see, are now gone. That's because a while ago I actually ruined this front lip. Coming down our driveway, there's a little dip. Hit the dip, ruined this front splitter and all that stuff, cracked this. So this has to get replaced regardless. So I also have a new lip coming. Side note, your dude's getting old. I'm 29 years old, but I'm like falling apart. My left bum shoulder got bicep tendonitis. Something's going on with my wrist. Always something happens before a big project, so that's just the way it is for me. Alright, a couple bolts and pop clips later. Here is our front bumper, which is what I'm going to try to tackle first anyways. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and finish getting off my lip. This has been on the car for over 5 years now. So it's held up pretty well, minus the self-occurring damage. Here's the fitment, fit perfectly fine. But yeah, I'm just looking for a change. So going with the color change, and then little different aero pieces on the car as well. But as you can see, I want to show you guys, I had this down with wood screws, bolts, you name it. And I actually have that's like one of my first videos on this car. It's how I actually put this on and able to keep it on for all these years, so I'm pretty impressed with it. But time to go ahead and remove it and on with the new stuff. Alright, good timing. As I have this bumper off, my new lip just came in. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of bittersweet because this is like one of the first modifications I've done to this car back in my California days, so it's got a lot of miles and dirt from all over the place. Get me all emotional. In fact, if you're like an OG subscriber and you guys remember this install, or remember when I got this first on the car, leave a comment down below. Let me know when you guys actually started watching my channel. Alright, all the bolts are out. All that's holding it on is this little 3M tape that I thought would have been sufficient at the very beginning of my times. But there we go. Look at that. Shout out to 3M. Still functioning to this day. Let's see how naked this bumper looks now. Oh yeah, basic ass bitch right there. So I've got a lot of prep work to do this bumper before I can get it ready for wrapping. But I wanted to show you guys this real quick. Look underneath this tape. It's kind of ridiculous, to be honest with you guys, but you can see it here. That's OEM paint right there. This is Plasti Dip. Kind of crazy, huh? Look at that difference. For the side skirts, much easier. Just little Phillips screws, wood screws again, right up along the way, just all the way down, nothing bolting up on the side skirts. Anybody want to support me on getting a lift, because these jobs would be done a lot faster. Alright, so I think I'm going to end this video here with you guys at this point in time. Got the bumper off, front lip off, side skirts removed. Car is pretty much prepped as far as that goes. Of course, we're still going to have to give her a wash, clay bar everything prior to wrapping. But before we even get that far, I want to make sure I'm confident enough to do that. So for the next video, expect me to start prepping this bumper and practice wrapping the bumper, because if I can do that, I feel like I can do the rest of the car. Panels aren't as hard as inlays and such as like those fog light areas. So if you guys have wrapped your car yourself, so you're a rapper, that's your business, lay a comment down below some words of wisdom and advice if you would like to share. But yeah, expect that and the future videos. So other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Decided to give you guys a little update on the car. These are always spontaneous videos. Like, I just got home off of work and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pick up the camera and just start going. And that's how the majority of these videos go. But yeah, until next time, I want to say thanks for watching, thanks for staying with me. Never live your life on idle, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.